Well, I'm ready to do the timing, but these morons attach the front plastics, which is attached here, here, and here with a fucking zip tie. A fucking zip tie. For here and over here, too. The headlights weren't even connected, so that's fucking not a big deal, but kind of weird. And then they put a fucking plastic bag over this and a zip tie that you can barely get to. So, yeah, I'm just getting ready to be able to put the stuff on. I mean, not put the stuff on, but for you to help me with the timing when we get home. Because if it's just that, it'll be super simple and easy. And I can just stick the air filter on the end of the carb real quick. Well, three-wheeler videos are being a little postponed because I'm waiting. I gotta get parts for it and everything. But got a new product in the meantime. Well, this is three-wheeler, but it's a 06 Polaris Predator that I bought. Saving up for one for about half a year now. But I bought it. They said it did break in the cycle, and right after they parked it, left it running, and it just shut off, and they turned it on again. It started making some kind of rattling noise from the top end. And doing my research, if I'm correct, it's just a timing chain, and it should be fine. But yeah, this is, I mean, it's pretty bad. The guy that you see this, that sold to me, I'm not quite sure whether he scammed me or not. I mean, fucking, of course, they either me. Well, that's not good, but I mean, I'm gonna have to get new. Fuck. Well, I gotta get new front plastic for this son of a biscuit complete, because the front hood's also busted over here. There's supposed to be a little hook thing. There's not. I've taken it out on this side. But yeah, so apparently that's busted. But the whole front end plastic, so there's a little holder right bolt there, here, and here. They're all held in by zip ties. Not sure what kind of deal that was. And it didn't come with an air box. So, yeah, I might have gotten a little screwed over. But, yeah, they wanted $1,500 for it. I got it for $13. This Modi I lock on grips. Well, I believe in the Hermosi thumb throttle. I'm not quite sure. I believe it's Hermosi. And, I mean, it's in decent condition. Everything being said, it's got a pure Polaris exhaust on it. But it's in decent condition now. Even the rear plastics are fricked. Not fricked, but... Why is it hanging like that? Yeah, this is the new project. And once it's running, it'll be my dune quad. Take it out to the dunes. I might actually do videos riding it, but this is my Polaris Scrambler that I have. And it rips. So, I might actually make some kind of bounty hole, mud hole down our creek in the summer. So, I see videos on that. Definitely gonna be more video than that. Might be video on riding a dirt bike. The Honda over there, not quite sure about. But yeah, I will pick up on this once my dad's here and he's helping me with it. But I might have gotten scammed a little bit. But we'll find out. So, this video will pick back up when my dad gets here. Well, I'm ready to do the timing, but these morons attach the front plastics, which is attached here, here, and here with a fucking zip tie. A fucking zip tie. For here and over here, too. The headlights weren't even connected, so that's fucking not a big deal, but kind of weird. And then they put a fucking plastic bag over this and a zip tie that you can barely get to. So, yeah, I'm just getting ready to be able to put the stuff on. I mean, not put stuff on, but for you to help me with the timing when we get home. Because if it's just that, it'll be super simple and easy. And I can just stick the air filter on the end of the carb real quick. Date. Yes, the timing was off. And I pulled out the oil filter to see if there's metal fragments. It's looking like there is. Well, get that out. Get the spring, just throw it in there. But let's try to see if this one of the bitches scammed me. Is there any metal fragments in there? Can't tell. There. Not sure if it's supposed to look like that. Yeah, I'm gonna look at it real close. Uh-oh. God damn it. Yep, there's metal fragments. Come on, focus. Damn. Well, shoot. Looks like I'm doing an engine rebuild. Yeah, you can really see him right there. But yeah. I got scammed, guys. Damn. Fudge. God dang. Well, that really sucks. Because that means I am tearing the thing completely apart. I messed up big time. And I lost a lot of money in the process. Daggum. That sucks. But shit happens. I'll catch you guys when my dad's down here and we're looking at it because, yeah, I think I just got scammed. If you look at my finger, there's freaking metal fragments. Come on, focus. Yeah, there's metal fragments on my finger. So, I definitely got scammed. Darn. So, I'll catch you guys when my dad's back down here. Well, welcome to our boys TV. The Big Red is, well, there's not gonna be videos on it for a while because I'm waiting for bearings to fix the rear end. But in the meantime, I got this 06 Polaris Predator. The front plastics are off. But what's wrong with it is, so the top end. So the guy that I bought it from, I got it for $1,300. They said that the top end, not top end, but they wrote it. They rebuilt the top end, wrote it, did a break-in period, and then it just shut off. And when they turn it on again, it started making some clanking noise. I've already drained the oil, and there is no oil shaving, not oil shaving, metal shavings in there. And the next thing we're gonna do is replace the timing chain on this, just in case, because it did flip the timing. And but yeah, so this should be pretty fun ATV. It's I don't know if I already mentioned it, but a '06 Polaris Predator 500. Almost completely stock, except for the grips. It's got a Honda throttle on it. Actually, I'm getting an OEM throttle for it, but because my dad won't let me get aftermarket throttle for my own ATV, so whatever. But an OEM Honda, believe it's an OEM Honda throttle. I just know it's a Honda throttle because if you look at this right here, this is the exact same as on the three-wheeler. Look at that. So, but yeah, this thing has, the Predator's got a Mikuni carb in it. Wait, where's the carb? Oh, I got a few bucks for it. The pit bike's junk, but the carb, this is a K&N air filter. It is a Mikuni carb, even though it's in the niche industry carburetor box. Don't know why they put it in there. Shit, why did I put the carb? Where the hell did I put that carburetor? I set the carb down somewhere. Oh, there it is. It's over here. But it is a Mikuni carb. So this stuff is for that. This carburetor for the pit bike, but which does not have spark right now. This is a genuine Mikuni carb. It actually came on these Predators. But so, what I am doing is taking all these graphics off and stuff. Well, not graphics, but stickers. I'm doing a yellow and black color scheme on it. So, gonna eventually be getting, don't know when, but getting yellow plastics from I think it's 527 or 572. I think it's 527 Designs. And yeah, I mean, this fender's a little bent down. I have to fix that, but other than that, the thing's not too terrible. Aftermarket grab bar and front bumper. Bars are bent, so I'm going to be getting some ODI bars for it. Definitely getting new grips for it, just because these ones are getting a little sticky and the lock-on doesn't work very well. So, I mean, this one, the lock-on works, but this one, it doesn't, so, yeah. But, yeah, and I've also drained the oil on it, so. Also, a bit later in this video, I'm going to be putting the airbox on it because it didn't come with an airbox. Kind of annoying. I mean, this was a really nice seat until some cat got to it. People I bought it from the cat, so, yeah. I mean, they all can look forward to a whole series on this thing and it getting built, and then hopefully this thing will take it out to Winchester Bay, I think, hopefully, or not Silver Lake, Sand Lake, Sand Dunes, but yeah, it depends. So I'll catch you guys when I'm putting on the airbox. Well, it's, I think 3 or 4 days later. You notice the layout of the garage has changed. So, yeah, that's in here now. That's something we gotta fix. I think my dad's gonna fix for one of our friends, and then, but yeah, the airbox would come for it now. That's why it took so long. Also got a service manual for an '06 Polaris Predator. I believe it's a Troy Lee edition because of the sparkle in the plastics. Don't know if that was like that already. But get the seat off. Oh, don't want to crush my pit vipers. Yeah, I got a new pair of pit vipers. Kind of nice. Work real great. I don't know. My parents are like kind of against it. But yeah, this is a used airbox. Got this hose. I believe this is the breather. Don't know quite yet. Yeah, this is a new air box for it. Perfect. My only question is, hopefully, they're in here. Where are they? Yes, the bolts and stuff are in the air box. I don't know why I'm pointing the camera this way. Oh, come on. I can't get that open, but what else do we got in the box? Oh yeah, this goes on the carb. So, guessing the air box goes in something like this. And then this goes like this. Or this, some do. Wait, no. It goes like this. Doohickey like this. So yeah. But also, I'm not going to install this. I'm probably install the airbox, but not this. Because don't need it, because I got to put a new timing chain in it, which is coming who knows when. So yeah. Oh yeah, this is the breather. Right here. But I'll take the video back on when I get the airbox open, because I can't with one hand, so yeah. And find out if there's bolts in here. Uni air filter. It's kind of nice. Motherfuckers. There's not a single bolt in here. Lovely. Yep, no bolts in there. Got this pizza right now. But yeah. So, timing chain needs to be replaced. Not that it's bad or anything, but we think it's the original one and they rebuilt the top end, so gonna need to replace it anyways. And yeah, also let me know, yellow or black plastics, because I can get yellow plastic for it and I kind of like them, but I also want to go with black, so let me know. But yeah, I also can't keep this throttle because my dad's being a you know what about it. But yeah, I don't know if I mentioned already, but this throttle, if you look at it, is the same as, it's basically a knockoff Honda throttle. I mean, yeah, this is like exactly the same, minus the Honda logo. Yeah, I also got to work on this. I got great front suspension. And I do confirm that the gears work. So yeah. Should be cool when it's done. But the video will continue again. Well, actually, I don't know, depending on what I do. But it should continue with me taking out the timing chain and replacing it. Well, I took it apart with my dad, and yes, my dad helped me. I wouldn't have been able to do it myself, but the timing, they completely set the timing wrong, so that's what it was. And, yeah, now it's all back together. I'm still waiting for a throttle for it. Oh my gosh. Well, I just lost that bolt. It's not good. It's a tank. Found two. Where is the other one? There's another washer. Right there. Roll this forward. What the heck? Huh. Great. don't see it anywhere in here. Let's put on a temporary air cleaner. I got an air box for it now. I have the air box. It's clean. I'm just waiting. Shoot. Well, that's no good. I just dropped that again. I don't see it anywhere. Which is annoying because I gotta go through. I've also been, they lost cleaning it up because the pipe, I'm pretty sure you saw, it's pretty rusty. It's over there in that box. I've been cleaning it. But yeah, I'll get the video back when I find that bolt because I just, oh, it's right here. Come on. Come on. Does not want to come off there. Got it off. Yeah. Get these on, hold the tank on. This. Great. Just drop that washer again. Gosh darn it. There it is. That's the plastic and engine shroud for it, which I need to put back on. Yeah, it should be ready to go. Yeah, I'm tightening down the tank right now. Still waiting on a new throttle. As you can see, the throttle cable dangling down. I have a choke on it though, which worked. Carb then, I'll say air cleaner wouldn't be in there. The carb wasn't. I gotta put it on the fuel line from there with the tank to the carb, but didn't do that quite yet. And it's going the wrong way. Yeah, it's going the wrong way. Alright, that's it today. If I get to... come on. There. Yeah, I got this out. In the butt. This has a fuel pump on it. Shit, I don't think it does. This goes somewhere here, I think. Don't take my word for it though. I think it goes right here, like this. And I gotta take off the tank again. Nope, it doesn't go right there. Where in the heck does the fuel pump go? Cause I'm not quite sure. That's great. Wait, right here maybe? No? Oh, it went right there. I'll figure out where this goes real quick and then start video again because I'm an idiot. I was wrong, it does go here. And this line is hooked up to the tank. I think this is the breather. Right here. Not tight all the way. So yeah. It's gonna take a little while to get this. Oh, come on, Rat. Not Rat, stupid. But yeah, so the fuel pump does go right there. I'm also surprised I forgot these things have fuel pumps because my Scrambler over there's got a fuel pump. And I'm recording on my phone right now, so if the video randomly gets like sideways, don't worry, it's because my phone, for some reason, will just switch on me randomly, and I don't know why. But, so, I'll cut back when I have that on, and then all the lines going everywhere. So yeah. Earlier, I got all the lines routed. My dad came down, and he doesn't really like to be recorded, so I respect that and didn't record him. But now I was sanding down the exhaust and this heat shield to get them repainted because they're looking kind of bad. And I'm putting the exhaust back on, and has spark, has compression. So yeah, see how well it runs now. Put new oil in it. I mean, it's pretty much a runner. It's gonna take two hands to do. So I don't have anywhere to set it up, so it should be on. 3, 2, 1. And the exhaust is on. I had to fight it a lot. Not sure if these are on all the way. I think they are, but I had to take off this whole piece from here up there to just those 2 bolts right there. Then fought to get this on, and put this on. This part was super easy to get in. And there's no bolt right here because the guys before me lost it, so although it shouldn't come out, it's not going anywhere. So now, when my dad gets home, we're gonna get, I think that battery's charged. I believe it's charged. Yeah, it's 100% charged. So, boom, boom. Yeah, this battery's all hooked up. So that's good. What else do I gotta do? I gotta get back plastics on, the tank on, and then the front plastics on. I have the control for the new throttle that's coming for it all hooked up. I'm getting the OEM Polaris throttle for it, which sucks. And what else? Oh yeah, the plastics are right here. I might be buying some yellow plastics for it. I think I mentioned that earlier. But yeah, this video is taking a span of quite a few days to get done. But yeah, now it's done and it looks freaking awesome. Got my hat here. And then I'm going to go up and check our mailbox to see if the throttle came, because my dad said it did. Got the throttle cable on and it's all attached up. This is attached. Tank's on. So I'm going to put the rear plastics on, because the front, there's no bolts for it. Because I got it. There's zip tied on here, there, and there. And, well, that's just no good. The whole plastic on. So, okay, but I gotta get the rear plastics on. And then, oh shit. You know what I forgot to do? Spark plug. So the tank's coming back off. Yay. Okay, this, switch hands, because it's hard to. So yeah, I'm getting this tank off again. Okay, now unscrew this. Once I get most of the way out, I usually just unscrew it. Now, because the tank's off, well, not off, but it's almost off. Get out. Extension. Oh, that's a jack stand for a trailer. And grab, I think this one right here. I'll clean that up. So now, get this, and should be ready. It's kind of handy right here. Also, I really like this. It says motor beer on it. Kind of cool. Well, this piece had anti-seize on it because it's stuck in my mouth, you know. Get a grip on it. Wait, hold on. Is this battery not? Oh. Run. So you got compression. Whew. That scared the living shit out of me. Let's do a quick compression check though. Not compression, but spark test again. Oh, come on, you stupid phone. Well, the video went wonky. But when we come back, that should be on, and my dad might be down here. I gotta ask him if he wants to be on the video, so. But yeah, overall, it's almost done.
Yes.
Alright, first start of the Polaris Predator. Get a little check. Give it a little ether. Take 3. Alright, done. Oh, turn the key off. Alright. Throw a little ether in there. So, I don't want to keep, you know. Well, it ran. Right there.
Go ahead.
Alright. Well, that's the problem.
You got a fuel problem.
Crap.
You gotta pull the carb.
Huh?
You have to pull the carb.
Dang it. Well, I'm going to pull the carb off and then try again. Alright, take 4. It should start. Oh!
What?
Shot smoke out of the carb.
Yes.
Yeah, I did fiddle with that a little. So it might just be that.
It's too low.
I don't like the look of that. What? Shit rattling and then lots of light. That's fine now. It's smoking. Like, fucking exhaust.
Huh?
The frickin' exhaust is not tight. God damn it, I hate that stupid exhaust. I think it's a pain in the ass. I don't think it's frickin' seated right.
Gabriel, I told you you're gonna have to warm it up, let it run. It also could be baking off oil and everything else.
Okay, well. I'm gonna go see if I can tighten down the exhaust bolts and then start her up again. So, the 13 though. Yeah, 13. I think this is take 5 right there. Smoking. Is it smoking? No, it doesn't look like it. Hell yeah. Oh, yeah. Alright. Well, it's smoking, but it's burning off paint, so that's good. Smells like hamburgers. Right, Dad? Hey, Dad. You flipped it off. I saw some kind of flash come up from underneath here.
Okay. The light going off.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so a couple things. I'm gonna zip tie down this battery because I don't have a thing for it yet, and put on air plastics along with the radiator. Not the radiator, the exhaust boot. Or not exhaust boot, air filter boot. And then maybe give it its first test drive.